In this short 4-minute tour, we're going to trace the flow of water from the city streets in Verona to its final destination, the Gulf of Mexico. So we're talking about any water, storm water, that falls on impermeable surfaces, streets, roads, sidewalks, roofs that have downspouts that lead to the city streets in the city of Verona. You can see Wisconsin pretty clearly, Lake Michigan on the right. Our four-lake chain should come into focus, and then there is Verona High School. The track is in the middle of the screen. So where does the water go when it falls on all those impermeable surfaces around the high school? Let's just take a typical home and trace the path. Lands in the roof, downspout, directs the water into the driveway. From the driveway, it enters the street. From the street, the water runs along the curb, picking up any sediment, leaves, debris that might be in the road there. At some point, that water will leave the street, go down into one of the gutters, now traveling under the ground in our stormwater system. In this case, it comes out at the detention pond or retention pond at Harriet Park. The water travels across the park, exiting the northwest corner. Water is now back under the streets and heading for our surface water. In the case of Verona's community, our stormwater will dump directly into the Badger Mill Creek at a variety of locations. Badger Mill Creek is in focus now. The Badger Mill Creek runs south until it joins the Sugar River. Sugar River runs south. One of the areas of interest for us immediately is Lake Bellevue and the impact the stormwater has on Lake Bellevue. Lake Bellevue is found in Belleville, and one of the features in Belleville on the Sugar River is the dam, which is coming into focus now. The dam, of course, slows down the water, backs it up. Much of the sediment that is in the Sugar River then is dropped in Lake Bellevue. From Belleville, we're going to jump all the way over to where the Sugar River meets the Rock River. Notice how the size of the river changes with each leap. Rock River flows then all the way to the Mississippi. Again, notice the size as the smaller tributaries join together. The rivers, of course, get larger. If we back out a little bit, you can see the perspective here. You can see Lake Michigan on the right, the border of Wisconsin, Iowa, and Illinois in the center of the screen. And then, of course, the Mississippi River is going to travel south all the way to New Orleans, where it dumps into the Gulf of Mexico. The Mississippi Delta is present, very visible from Google Earth. And that is the ultimate destination for the water that falls on the streets of Verona.